Hi, it's me again, Missy Abina from BEC 1C. So for today's video, we're going to talk about projectile motion zero launch. Motion in two dimensions is a combination of one-dimensional motion in the x and y direction. Projectile, it is an object that is thrown, kicked, bat, or launched into motion and then allowed to follow a path determined solely by the influence of gravity. So, ito yung gagamitin natin para ma-solve natin yung x and y. X component is equals to bx is equals to b sub x o plus x minus x sub o is equals to bx ot. Y component is b sub y is equals to b sub y0 minus dt. Y minus y sub o is equals to y sub y 0t minus 1 half gt squared. B squared y is equals to negative g delta y. So let's proceed to example. A person skateboarding with constant speed 1.30 meters per second release a ball from a height of 1.25 meter above the ground. So, ang hinahanap ay given that x sub o is equals to 0 and y sub o is equals to h is equals to 1.25 meter, find x and y for the time of 0.25 seconds and 0.50 seconds. So, letter B, find the velocity, speed, and direction of motion of the ball. So, let's answer the letter A. So, for the letter A, ang gagamitin nating formula ay x is equals to p sub o times time. So, x is equals to 1.30 meter per second times the time na 0.25 seconds. So, cancel ang seconds. So, x is equals to 0.325 meter. So, sa y naman tayo. Ganito lang din yung gagamitin nating formula. Ay, hindi pala. Ito pala gagawin nating formula. So, h minus 1 half dty squared. Y is equals to 1.25 meter. Ito, ang height. Minus 1 half. Yung g niya is 9.81 meter per second squared. Ang time ay 0.25 seconds squared. So, cancel na natin yung second. Ang matitira na lang is yung meter. So, kapag kinalculate to, ang lalabas na sagot ay 0.943 meters. So, eto na yung sagot sa letter A, x and y, sa time na 0.26 seconds. So, kukunin naman natin yung sa time ng 0.50 seconds. So, ganun lang din yung gagamitin natin formula. So, sa x is equals to dot is equals to 1.30 meter per second. Ibahin lang natin yung time. 0.50 seconds. So, cancel seconds. Magiging sagot ay 0.65 meter. So, y naman, ganun lang din yung formula. Ganito gagawin natin formula sa y. So, BOT, substitute lang, 1.25 meter times 1 half 9.81 meter per second squared 0.5 seconds squared. So, ito yung ginamit natin dito. Ito din. ito hindi. 1 point. So, kapag cancel, matitira na lang is meter. So, kapag kinag nyo to, ang lalabas na sagot ay 0.0238 meter. 0.0238 meter. So, ito na yung sagot sa letter A na ang hinahanap ay during time ng 0.50 seconds. So, sa letter B naman tayo. Find the velocity, speed, and direction of motion of the ball. So, B, ang gagamitin naman natin yung formula ay By is equals to Byo minus dt. So, since 0 na to, so cancel na. So, By is equals to negative gt. So, By, substitute lang, negative 9.81 meter per second square times na time niya ay 0.50 seconds. So, cancel. So, magiging By is equals to negative 4.91 meter per second. So, ang hinahanap din dito ay sa B. Hanapin naman natin ngayon yung direction. So, ang gagamitin natin para mahanap yung dimension, B is equals to square root of 1.30 meter per second square plus negative 4.9 meter per second square. So, kapag kinalculate natin to, ang lalabas ay 5.08 meter per second. So, eto na yung ating speed. So, para mahanap naman yung direction, tan is equals to inverse tan By dx. So, substitute lang. Inverse tan. Ang By natin is ito, negative 4.9 meter per second over 1.30 meter per second. So, ito, cancel meter per second. Cancel. So, kapag kinalculate natin, ang lalabas sa direction ay negative 75